Namaskar to everyone. Today we are going to learn about the topic determiners. Earlier we have already learned about adjective, nouns and pronouns. So on fourth part, it is our fourth part of learning English grammar. So determiners are some type of words which is generally used before nouns and it determines the nouns. How? Let's start. The words such as these, those, my, their, which, these are called determiners. But before going to determiners, the most important part of determiners, that is articles, and every one of we are aware of articles that are a, n and the. So the articles a, n and the, it is divided into two parts. A and n, these are called indefinite articles, means a and n you can use them with singular nouns to talk about any single person or thing which is known to us. How? You can see here. Here indefinite means we are not sure about that particular thing or person or situation. How? Can you hear a bird singing? Means you can hear a bird is singing, but you are not sure that which bird is that. This is a picture of an elephant. There is a picture of an elephant, but you don't know which elephant is this. Rudy is reading a book. Rudy is reading some book, but we don't know which book is that. We don't know the title of the book. Means we are indefinite about that thing or that noun. That's why a and n are indefinite articles. Do you wear a uniform to school? Mom bought a new dress today. Mom bought a dress. You have not seen it, so you are not sure about the dress. You will need an umbrella when you go out. You need an umbrella, but not that specific blue or red umbrella. You need any one umbrella. So when we are not sure about that particular thing, we use a or an. The article n is usually used before the words starting with vowels. Already we have learned in our previous topic, and the a is used before the vowel consonants. So the a and n are indefinite, but the is the definite article. It is used before a noun when you are talking about a certain person or thing. Means when you are completely have idea about something. Means the telephone is ringing. Means particular the phone is in your home, it is ringing. You know which telephone is it. Where is the cat? Means the cat probably residing in your house. You can see here the cat is under the bed. I think the cat is under the bed. Means particular you are telling about that cat. Tom has won the race. There was a specific race and Tom has won that one. Means you know about the particular things. Granny is sitting in the garden. Means particular garden. It may be your house garden. It may be your park garden. The street is very busy today. Means you are telling about particular street. The sky is getting dark. You are watching the sky and you are telling the sky is getting dark. The ice cream is melting. You can see here particular the ice cream is melting here, means we know about the ice cream, particular ice cream. And the most important thing, you can use the before a noun where it is only one in the world, in the universe. Some things that is only one we have, means the sun. There is only one sun. The moon, the sky, means all these are only having one in the whole universe. That's why we are telling the sun, the moon and the sky. Now we will come to the demonstrative determiners. It is quite easy. The demonstrative determiners are this, that, these, those, which used to describe a thing or person you means you can see here it may be demonstrative determinants or demonstrative adjective also. Already we have read about it in the previous lessons, so we will not go through the details. I am keeping these books, I am selling those books, James live in this house means. But you have to think 2 points here. One, that you use this and these. Here you can see you use this and these to point the people or thing which is near you, means which thing is near you or which person is near you. You can use this or these. In place of singular you use this, or in place of plural you use these. But you use that and those to point to people or things that are farther from you, the things which are not near us. We can use that and those. In case of singular we use that, and in case of plural we use those. Now we will come to the new type of determiners. It is also already known to us. It is interrogative determiners. Again I am telling the WH word, means what, which, which. When it is used before nouns, these are called interrogative determiners or interrogative adjectives. Means what size do you wear? The boy is asking the girl about what size do you wear. What kind of birds is that? You are showing one bird and you are asking your friend what kind of bird is that. What time is it? What color is her hair? What kind of cloth has? Which doll is your favorite? Do you know which girl won the prize? Which baby is this? Which dog was barking in the middle of the night? Means all these indicates you are asking about some particular things. So here you can use the WH word, what, which and whose. So these are called interrogative adjectives or interrogative determiners. Now we will come to the one type of determiners, that is possessive. Means if you are possessing something, if you are keeping something, if you are having something. For example, the words my, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are called possessive adjectives or possessive determiners. Means I lent Margaret my guitar. It's your guitar. My guitar means you possess it. The dentist asked his patient, particular the patient belongs to the particular doctor, to open her mouth. Is this house your house? Robert, your handwriting is difficult to read. Michael is showing his tortoise to his friends. So, my sister lost her way in the city. The lion is chasing its prey. Means here the word your, his, her, its, all these belongs to possessive determiners. The only condition you have to remember here about the singular and plural. Means for singular you will use my, your, his, her, its, and for plural you will use our, your and their. So now we will come to the next part, that is exercise parts, and after this we will be clear of all the determiners we have learned so far. Fill in the blanks with A, N and D. So now we will learn about the proper article, whether we have to use the definite article or indefinite article. Means definite is already known to us and indefinite it is unknown to us and it may not be specific. So let me clear it what we will use here. And what we will use here, I am indicating with some symbols here. Fill in the blanks with A, N or D. All. Obviously we are not sure about, so it will be at it starts with a vowel. We will write here N. Rocket, a rocket, the rocket. What will be the right one? Means if you are seeing specific rocket, we will use the particular rocket, the rocket or a rocket. Here if it is specific then we can use the, and if you are not specified then we can use a also. Apron, an apron. We don't know which apron it is. Sun. Already we have learned about sun means sun is the single one in the universe. That's why we will use here the. Page. Page means if you are turning some page, you are particular in the some, at least you are in page number 20 or 25, so it is specific. That's why we write here the page. Computer. A computer or the computer, it depends upon the type of sentence. Suppose it is a computer, or if you are using your own computer, so here you can use a or the also. Moon. Moon is the only one, so we will use here the moon. Missouri River, it is a single one, there is a name, so we will use here the. Mango, it may be anyone, that's why we will use here a. Animal, any animal, that's why we will use here an. Eagle, any eagle, that's why we will use here an. Baby, if you are specified about a particular baby, the baby belongs to me, the baby is your, the baby is eating ice cream, you can write the also, and the same time you can use have you any one baby means do you have a baby, so here you can use a and the at the same time, so it will be a also right and the also right. So you can see now that we have learned about using of a and the in specific word, but in the next quiz we will learn about the use of a and the in the specific sentence. How? Let's see. It is exercise 2 and you have to write a and the in the blanks to complete the sentence. So it will be more clearful to us. How? Let me start with few exercise. And you can see there is dash rainbow in dash sky. There is a rainbow, single rainbow is there in the sky. Sky is the single one, so you will write here the sky. Who is dash man outside the gate? You are seeing particular man. Who is the man? Who is the man outside the gate? Means it is your gate, that's why you are specified about the gate. Dash doctor gave Jane dash injection. Means you are known to the doctor, that's why you will write here the doctor gave Jane an injection. What injection the doctor gave, we don't know, that's why we will write here an injection. Paul opened dash door to let dash dog in. Paul opened the door means Paul is opening the door of his particular house to let the dog in. As Paul is allowing the dog means the Paul known to the dog. That's why we'll write here again the. Mark is dash only child in dash family. Mark is the means Mark is specified here. Mark is the only child in the family. What dash largest animal in the world? What is the largest animal in the world? Because the world is single. So we can write this like, and if we will come to the next part, you can see here again there is a nest. We know we are not sure about the nest in the tree, particular tree we know it because the nest is in the particular tree. So he is writing a letter, we don't know what she is writing. Jack has a brother and a sister. We don't know that who are they, but we know that Jack has one brother and one sister. That's why we will write here A. We reached dash top of the hill in 2 hours. We reached the top because we are already known to the top of particular hill. So we will write here the. We reached the top of the hill in 2 hours. So now you are almost all sure that where to use A and the. Now we will come to the next exercise. This is all about demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative already we know that this, that, this, those already we will learn in this exercise. So let's start. Come and look at these insects means you are near to the insects, and as these are plurals, insects means lot of insects, that's why we will read right here these. Stop this man or stop that man. If you are from a distance, you will say stop that man. I was in the 5th grade last year. I am in 6th grade this year. Means as I was in 5th grade last year, obviously this year I am in 6th class. So we will write here this. Bring chairs here. Means chairs are far behind you. So you will write here bring those. Bring those chairs here. This ice cream is delicious. You are telling about the ice cream and you are eating it, means it is near you. So you will write here this. This ice cream is delicious. Can you see those stars in the sky? The sky is far behind you. That's why you will write here those. So we will write here those. So now you are clear about the demonstrative adjectives. These are determiners, and we can use this, that, these, those as per the singular and plural of the nouns. Now we will come to the final exercise, and it will make you clear about all the concept of determiners, because these are sometimes used before adjectives and sometimes it is used before pronouns. How? If the determiners is used before adjective or if it is used before pronouns, it has different formats. Let's see. You have to write DA for demonstrative adjectives or DP for demonstrative pronouns. If it is used before adjective, you have to write DA, and if it is used before pronouns or for pronouns, you have to write DP. How? Let's see. You can see here 10 questions are there and we will solve all this. How? Let's see. So I will solve first 5-1. You can see the first 5 question here. This house has 5 bedrooms. Here this is used for house, and house is not an adjective, it is pronoun. That's why we will write here DP. Who is that man? That is used for man. Again it is a pronoun. That's why we will write here DP. This is our school. Again you are saying about some schools. That's why it is DP. These are wild animals. Yeah. Here you are saying about the animals who are wild. Means it is adjective. Wild is adjective here. That's why it is DA. That is right. Right means some quality you are telling about. That's why it is DA. So now you are almost clear about the demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Let's finish the last 5-1. You can see here. What's that noise? Noise is sound. That's why we write here DA, adjectives. These books means you are telling about books. That's why it will be D, pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Those books, again demonstrative pronouns. Those are donkeys, again demonstrative pronouns. Those are horses, same things, and again demonstrative pronoun. So this is all about today's determiners class. Hopes you have understand it, and in the next chapter we will read about one new grammatical concept, that is verb. So for that time, goodbye and stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to comment in our YouTube channel. Thank you.